Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance SS Big Daddy. The song is Big Daddy, the artist is Heavy D, and the choreography is Stephen Newberry. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, please watch till the end and click on the video. And let's go.
Back to hell, back to the big daddy. Be getting down for real.
Y'all ready? Tell me who be that? Girl say he cute, absolutely cute. Happy that big fella in the summer sporting limit. But party in limit, party will be lit. Big dada, poppy grande, 600 push out. Where your hand? My belly stay jiggling, keeping your backside wiggling. Who wiggling? This thing, nobody. F got you, round the rock the party. I be sending chills to your body. Y'all ain't seen nothing quite like me. I be getting down on the MIC. Hold it down, please, you gon' catch me with it. Big belly, can you handle it? That diggy, niggy, be jiggy. Baby, you ready for Big Daddy? Looks suspicious. What is it? Must be the fame and the business. Big kid from out big. In the top 10 you counting. Climbing off for tracks and bouncing. Ladies howling. What up the young and old folks? Thanks to the bass and hold my boat slopes. Heavy. Make the crowd wiggle like spaghetti. Play water bed. Baby, are you ready? Spend it. Deep in big since the beginning. Stay winning. Grinning. Head chill. Check it out. You got the hottest record. Head boy. You can't hang your red short. Chillin'. I be in Beverly Hills chillin'. Ladies love me. Big Daddy, one minute. Say what? How do you need it? How do you want it? Say what? Come on. How do you need it? How do you want it? That's right. How do you need it? How do you want it? Say what? How do you need it?
Yo, all the ladies wanna know is where Gruff at. They love that. Smooth all the wrong Gruff at. Got 'em in, but I'm the one they blush at. Rush at. In the bigger brush at. Me and half biggie, stay fly, drink killers. Got bad girls who online sex with don't crush her. Let's believe we won't rush her. Hot mama, you can catch your feet on you.
Hey yo, Gruff, them guys don't know how we be really getting down.
Wind it up, town, pass it around, holding it down. All across the world, ladies blowing our sound. I'm a legend. Rubbing on your hot iron style. Jiggle up, roll it down, sweating. Go front, smile, bust a shine with spaghetti. Half these cats couldn't rhyme in my session. Baby, you ain't ready when it comes to Gruff and Big Daddy.
How do you need it? How do you want it?
Come on, come on.
How do you need it? How do you want it?
That's right.
How do you need it? How do you want it? How do you need it?
Big Daddy. Check me out. War, uptown. You be getting way down. That's right. Earth my cup, y'all. Check it out.
Cute dance. That's SS Big Daddy. Make sure you leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't done so. Check out the instructional. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.